Welcome dear friends, this is part 34 of Computer Science MCQs. The term user interface refers to what the user sees on the screen and how they interact with it. In Windows, the shortcut key to print a document is Ctrl+P. A computer-assisted method for the recording and analyzing of existing or hypothetical systems is known as data flow. The main purpose of offline devices is to save computer time. A family of polynomial block codes designed to correct burst errors is known as fire codes. A set of information that defines the status of resources allocated to a process is called Process Control Block (PCB). What is the main difference between a mainframe and a supercomputer? Supercomputers are designed to execute a few programs as fast as possible, while mainframes execute many programs concurrently. Which of the following is not typically an advantage of open source operating systems over proprietary versions? Availability of technical support. The essential difference between Linux and Windows is that any programmer can modify Linux code, which is not permitted with Windows. The Dash operating system was initially created in the early 1970s at AT&T's Bell Labs. Unix. The most recent versions of Mac operating system are based on the Unix operating system. Which of the following was an early desktop operating system that included an integrated graphical user interface with point-and-click features? Mac operating system. The MS-DOS operating system is a command-driven single-tasking operating system. An essential difference between the OS on a typical desktop computer and the OS on a typical PDA is that the desktop OS can run several programs simultaneously, whereas the PDA OS typically runs fewer. The ability of an operating system to control the activities of multiple programs at the same time is called multitasking. Integrated circuit IC chips used in computers are made primarily of silicon. LAN speeds are typically measured in Mbps. It is a small piece of text stored on a user's computer by a web browser to maintain state. What is it called? Cookie. Zipping a file means compressing the file. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.